Okay, it's winter and it is cold. I'm gonna show you in this video how you can test your windows to see if they are airtight or if they're leaking and basically creating a lot of cold water or cold air coming in or allowing your heat to go out. So you can take some plastic and just cover everything and seal it. You can see after we've done that, we've got some pressure happening on this side on the inside of the plastic. It's actually poofing out. So watch this. You see that? So we've got a problem. We've got windows that are definitely leaking. And another little trick, you can basically pop a little hole in this and take a little piece of, you'll feel it, but you can't feel it in the video. It's cold air coming through. Take a little piece of toilet paper and put it right here. You can actually see it moving. Here it is, straight, and in front, it actually is moving. There's ventilation happening right through here, and it is cold air, baby. So that's a problem. How do you fix it? Well, we're painting right now, but in another video, I'm basically gonna take off the trim around the windows and use some spray expansion foam, and that should make it nice and tight and sealed.